How to leave Snapchat group chat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you leave Snapchat group chat. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the chat icon just at the bottom left corner. So simply tap on that option. Alright, so from the chat section, you'll have to choose the specific group whom you want to leave. So from there, you'll have to just tap and hold that group chat. Alright, so after you tap and hold that group chat, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option leave group. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from there, you'll have to tap on the option leave. Alright, so after done this, you'll be able to leave Snapchat group from your Snapchat account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.